You know how some people, they get excited doing unboxing. People, they get excited doing unboxing for their luxury clothes and shoes and bags. None of that I care about. I get excited opening some honeycomb, some really rare herbs, some kind of an ingredients that no one can get their hands on. Anything that can contribute to my health and to my family's health. This is the kind of stuff that I get really excited to open up. And you're gonna never see me trying to unbox some kind of materialistic stuff. We keep it real on this channel. This is a piece of art. This is literally a piece of art. Okay, let's get to business. Okay. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. All right, get closer. Wow. So good. Amazing. Good. I'm gonna have honey on my forehead. Successful. Mission is done. Cheers. All right, I'm gonna continue now. Can't stop. Now I'm gonna be back to my morning routine. Detoxing tea in the morning, 17 different kind of herbs in one drink to detox your liver, your kidneys, your lungs, your intestines, and every other part of your body. Then we have pumpkin seeds and pili nuts, the highest sources of magnesium. You have bitter apricots, which is B17. You have normal apricot seeds. This is a bitter apricot seeds. This is normal apricot seeds. 3 dates, few dry figs, and some raisins and some walnuts. The collection is more limited today. I have a couple of baby bananas, and I have a good amount of oxygen, and the sun is almost there. We're right on time, right perfectly on time. Have a good day, everybody. Cheers.